Okay, here comes the kids. Come on.
What did she see?
They're not under the tree. Come in here. Who do you think these are? What is that? Is that your stuff?
Yeah.
Are those green? Well, go over there. What do you think? Addie, what is that, baby?
What's that?
What do you think, Eden? Do you love
Is that
it?
your kitty?
Is that your presents? Good
Look,
morning, Addie.
It's a stroller for your babies.
And your kitty cat? Eden, what's that big pink thing? What's that on the floor? I think 2 girls might fit in that big bed. Addie, is that your kitty? Did Santa bring you a kitty cat? Okay, let's push the button. Santa found it for her. Eden, how many presents is that over there? A lot? Mm-hmm.